You think your passwords are safe because they're encrypted, right? Well, there are some algorithms that are so weak that hackers can break the algorithm and guess your password before you get your Starbucks coffee. So in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how hackers are breaking this algorithm and guessing your passwords. And at the end of the video, I'm going to tell you one fun fact which is kind of embarrassing if we talk about cybersecurity. So stay with me till the end. When you create an account, websites don't store your actual password. They store something like this. And this process is called hashing. It's one way. It is more like crushing a laddu, and once it's powder, you can't uncrush it. So you might be thinking, what is the problem here? There are still many websites which are using this ancient old hashing algorithms like MD5 and SHA1. And breaking them today is more like opening a diary with one-digit lock. Back in 2012, LinkedIn stored passwords using SHA1 without salt. Passwords for nearly 6.5 million user accounts were stolen because of this. And this incident was the wake-up call to upgrade the hashing algorithm. Now let's understand how this works. Let's say your password is password123. The website stores only its hash, like 482 ... Now hackers don't reverse it. They do something smarter. They take a giant list of common passwords, hash each one, then check for a match. And this is called a dictionary attack or rainbow table attack. Just fancy name and simple idea. Now the question is, how can we save ourselves? Many good websites use something called as salt. It is more like adding some masala to your password before hashing. Instead of hashing just password123, the website hashes something like password123 xyz ... So even if two people have the same password, their hashes become completely different. You can't control a website's hashing algorithm, but you can always control the password habits you follow. So you can use long passphrases, enable multi-factor authentication. You should not reuse your passwords for different websites and applications. You can avoid predictable patterns, and lastly, we can also use password manager. And that's the truth behind cracked passwords. It's simple, fast, and surprisingly scary. Before we end, let me just tell you the fun yet embarrassing fact. So, did you know the Mark Zuckerberg, who is the founder of Facebook? He was once a victim of this password guessing attack. And to your surprise, the password he was using at that time was da da da. Yeah, it was DADADA. And it was not something like Zucker Secure or password 123. And for hackers, it just took a couple of seconds to guess it. And unfortunately, he was using the same password for his Twitter and Pinterest account as well. So if Zuckerberg himself can use this kind of weak password, then your password 123 definitely needs an upgrade. So stay safe, use strong password, don't be a da 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 person. See you in the next video.